Continuous texts are passages where information is organized into sentences and paragraphs. They include essays, articles, reports, and novels. When taking your exam and you need to identify a text passage type, check if the passage is linear and requires you to follow the flow of ideas from one sentence to the next, often building on previous information to construct meaning. If this is the case, it's more likely a continuous text question. Next, let's set you up with some exam taking strategies. How to approach and analyze continuous text once you've identified this kind of text. First, identify the main idea by skimming the text to get a general sense of the topic and purpose. Furthermore, look for the thesis statement or main idea, usually located in the introduction or conclusion. Next, pay attention to how paragraphs are structured and remember that each typically introduces a new point or idea that supports the main thesis. Then, focus on transition words that signal relationships between sentences and paragraphs. These cues can help you follow the argument or narrative. While taking your exam, you will likely come across several exam passages and questions, such as the one you see on your screen. Use the steps presented earlier to pause the video now. Read the passage, select the best answer, and push play again for the answer. Great. Let's talk about it. First, identify the main idea, which is that protecting biodiversity is crucial not only for preserving the natural beauty and complexity of ecosystems, but also for maintaining their stability and resilience, thereby safeguarding the interconnected web of life. Understand the passage structure. For this passage, it reads like an excerpt from an article or a report, which tells us it's a continuous text. And finally, focus on transition words as shown on the right side of the screen. Now use these clues and pause the video to make sure you've selected the most appropriate response. The correct solution goes to the letter B. Biodiversity is essential for environmental stability and resilience, and that's because the passage emphasizes the importance of biodiversity in maintaining environmental stability, suggesting that the loss of species can disrupt ecosystems and lead to significant consequences. Excellent job with this lesson, but don't stop here. Make sure you are fully prepared to correctly answer continuous text questions on exam day by completing the practice quiz on continuous text questions by enrolling into our full test prep at LANTITEprep.com.